Hello everyone, I'm Saidith and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So finally friends, I'm back with the Wi-Fi speed test and the download speed test comparison between all of the three smartphones which I'm having right now. So starting with the OnePlus 9R, IQ7 smartphone and the Mi11X device. And just before a week ago, I did upload a video on that particular same kind of topic but without software updates, and right now after 1 week I did experience a lot of differences friends after the software updates in all the three smartphones. So particularly in the IQ7 in terms of the 4G plus addition as well. So make sure to check those videos in case if you haven't checked. And as I said 1 week before, when the results when I did the speed test comparison, as you can see friends, so there were shocking results when you compare with all the three smartphones. But right now after the recent updates MIUI 12.5 and the recent update in this IQ7 device, so we will be able to see whether is there any difference in terms of the Wi-Fi speeds or not. So this is a really interesting thing, and I'll try to use the same game which I downloaded before. So before in the same video I did download same game which is a Dead Trigger 2. As you can see from Dead Trigger 2, and the game size is of close to 537 MB, as you can see. So same game now I'll be able to download by using the same Wi-Fi connection in all the three smartphones. As you can see, first let's try with the speed test. Which phone is giving you the better speed test? That is what I'm going to check right now. Let me need to go back, and all the three smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me try to show you the Wi-Fi settings as well. You'll be able to understand exactly. As you can see friends, the same Wi-Fi router which is a TP-Link 8576. Let me try to open the Wi-Fi settings and show you what is happening. As you can see, so all the three smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. So same Wi-Fi router friends, as you can clearly see friends, same Wi-Fi router right now. And let's see which phone will be able to have the better speeds. That is what I'm trying to see. So by using the speed test application, so let me try to do the speed test application test first in the OnePlus 9R. I'm trying to do the test first in one phone, and then I'll try to switch to the next phone which is a IQ7 smartphone. So right now it is a OnePlus 9R. So 93 Mbps I'm trying to get in this phone, OnePlus 9R, as you can see here, 93 Mbps, 94. It did reach to 94, and the upload speeds are really good, and I was able to get about 87. As you can see friends, so which is really good, and my Wi-Fi speed can go up to 90 Mbps, 94 and 95 sometimes, but usually 93 is like round figure every time I used to get. As you can see, this is my Wi-Fi speeds which I got. And now let's move to the IQ7 device. So it is IQ7 which I'm trying to do the same Wi-Fi network connection speed test. Let's see how much the Wi-Fi will be reaching. As you can see friends, right now I'm still getting the 44-45 Mbps only in this phone right now at this point, and some users even they are facing the Wi-Fi slow speeds as well, Wi-Fi and the 4G slow speeds. But in my case the Wi-Fi slow is still the problem is there in my mobile phone. So I'm not sure why this phone is particularly taking very less speeds when compared with other smartphones. So that's really concerning me. So I did not change any settings, nothing at all, but still I was unable to get this kind of high speeds. As you can see friends, right now in the Mi11X device we are getting much higher speeds than the OnePlus 9R as well. As you can see, after the recent MIUI 12.5 update, there has been big improvement in the Mi11X device friends. That is what I did find out. So I did a couple of performance test benchmarks as well on this Mi11X device, and the results were really amazing. So try to check those videos in case if you want to know however the performance of this Mi11X device. But overall in this Wi-Fi test, clearly the Mi11X is a winner in terms of the Wi-Fi test, because slightly more Mbps than the OnePlus 9R. As you can see friends, that's a really good thing and good improvement as well. And one more thing, I did completely reset the Wi-Fi connection. So I did completely enter the forgot password and did try to do again, but still the same results. Let me try to do again friends right now in front of you. Let me try to long press. I'm trying to click forget, and I'm trying to enter right now to the same network. So let me try to enter the password first. So let me try to enter the password, and I'm trying to show you friends exactly. So right now I did enter the password, that's it. I did not change anything. As you can see, let me try to go back to the speed test and let me try to do the test again. So I'm trying to show you again and again because you should know. So still it was able to get about 40 and 53 Mbps right now. 43, sorry. As you can see, 43 and 44 only, not much. So I think there must be some kind of settings which is limiting the speed in this IQ7 device. So maybe with the next software update it might get improved. But let's see the download speed. So now we got the browsing speeds. Now let's start with the download speed first with the OnePlus 9R. Let me try to open the Dead Trigger 2 game. So it is a Dead Trigger 2 game which has been opened. Let me try to start the install and click the stopwatch. So when it's downloading, I'll try to click the stopwatch. Right now, as you can see, right now it's 4%, and you will be able to see the real-time speeds on the top of the notification bar. You're getting about 11 Mbps of speeds on the top, 10 Mbps. As you can see friends, 11 Mbps. So that's a really good speeds. And the game size, as I said, it's about 537 MB. The game size, 45% it got filled. As you can see, 50% in next, only in 23 seconds. So these are the results in the OnePlus 9R right now. It's really amazing in the OnePlus 9R and even in the MI11X as well. But I'm not sure why the IQ7 right now, I was unable to get the high speeds. So right now, as you can see, 86% and 90%, 94%, 98%, and installing, as you can see. So when it says installing, I did stop the stopwatch exactly, and it was about 50 seconds. So the OnePlus 9R took about 50 seconds of time to completely download and install maybe 2 seconds more, but overall 50 seconds of time. So now let's move to the IQ7 device. How much time this IQ7 will be taking in terms of the downloading process? Let me try to click start installing, and I'll try to start the stopwatch exactly when it's starting to download. As you can see, now it started. And right now I'll try to show you the real-time speed what I'm trying to get in this phone. So I'm getting about 5 Mbps. So it's exactly off the speed in the OnePlus 9R. So OnePlus 9R took about 50 seconds. I think this phone might take close to maybe 1 minute and 30 seconds, I think, in terms of downloading the same file. So as I said, there must be some kind of factor which is affecting the download speeds in this particular phone. And there were other mobile phones with me as well. For example, the Realme X7 Pro. The Realme X7 Pro as well, same kind of results I used to get. Same speed, the Wi-Fi speed used to be really less in the Realme X7 Pro. I used to not get high speeds. So same problem has happened to this IQ7 as well in terms of the Wi-Fi speeds. So in terms of the connectivity, one problem got solved for me, friends. The 4G Plus. That's a really amazing thing. So I didn't expect finally to the morning. Every day I used to walk outside to get the 4G Plus, but I didn't get. But today I got the 4G Plus signal after long waiting. So definitely friends, you will be also getting the 4G Plus, but it takes some time to get the 4G Plus, I think. So right now the percentage downloaded is about only 77%, as you can clearly see here. 79%, 81%, 83%, 85%. So next I'll try to download in the MI11X as well. So in this way we'll get to know about the results between all of these three smartphones performing. So 93%, 95%, 97, 99, and when it says installing, I'll try to stop the stopwatch. So still 99% only. It's not saying any kind of installing. So it took more I think 15 seconds of time extra because of just saying the installing. So right now it's finished. So 1 minute 53 seconds, as you can see, total time. Let's see in the MI11X how much time this MI11X will be taking. So right now I'll be able to download this kind of game, friends, Dead Trigger 2 from the MI11X device. So let's see how much time the MI11X will be taking to download this kind of game and install. So let me try to start the stopwatch at same time when it started to installing. So that is what I'm trying to wait. And here we got the percentage clicking, and let me try to show you the speeds. What's the maximum speeds we'll be able to get? 8.3 Mbps we are getting on the top of the notification panel. 11.2 Mbps, as you can see, 11.2. so 10.8 Mbps, so that's good. And 10.6 Mbps we are getting, that's not bad. So 11.1 Mbps, right now it's 50% finished, 53%, as you can see, friends, clearly. So 10.9, 10.8 Mbps, that's good. So let's see whether this high speed will be remaining continuously or not till end of the download. So sometimes the high speeds decreases in the MI11X device sometimes, but not all the time. So I'm just waiting for this kind of time. So let's see, friends. Let me try to switch off, stop the stopwatch exactly. So when it's completing the download, so right now the speed decreased a little bit, as you can clearly see here, 2.7 and 3 Mbps, as you can see. The same Wi-Fi network I'm trying to use, 8576 only, and 99%, and the times crossed the 1 minute as well. So 99 and installing, as you can see. The total time took in the MI11X is about 1 minute and 5 seconds. You can clearly see, friends, the difference. 50 seconds, 1 minute, 5 seconds. So this one took about 1 minute, close to 45 seconds or something, and that kind of time. So overall, this is a quick Wi-Fi download speed test comparison between all of the three smartphones, friends. So where I try to use the same kind of Wi-Fi network between all the three smartphones, and we did get different results. So the fastest is the OnePlus 9R in terms of the download speeds, which is maintaining consistently without any increase or decrease, continuously same speed. But in the MI Linux, slightly decrease the speed at the end of the download. In the IQ7 device, it's completely different story. So maybe there must be some kind of software glitch, or I'm not sure what is happening with my phone. So that's it, friends. This is a quick Wi-Fi download speed test after the recent software updates. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos. And that's it, friends. This is my review, and still I will be waiting for the update to fix this Wi-Fi speed, and very soon I'll be able to do this kind of high speed data in this IQ7 as soon as possible once the problem gets fixed in this phone with the same TP-Link 58576. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.